Hi all, let's see static class and fields. In C Sharp, you can make a class as static. When making a class as static, you cannot create an object for static class and you cannot access static members using an object. Then how to access static class members? By using class name dot static class member name, we can access. Here, created a sample console application. Inside that, created a static class calculate. Inside that, created static member variable and method. Let's see how to access this. Inside this program class, you cannot create an object for this static class. So you have to access these member variables by using the class name. So here accessing the static variable by class name dot variable name and method by class name dot method name and passing the parameter and assigning the static variable also by class name dot variable name. Let's run. Here accessing the static variable and printing that addition and calling the static method 5 plus 10 15 and assigning the static variable and printing that here. When creating a static class, you should remember static classes cannot be instantiated. All the members of static class must be static, that is variables, methods, properties, events, constructors, everything should be static. That is, if I try to make this static variable as non-static member, it will show an error message because inside static class, everything should be static. Indexes and destructors cannot be static. Where cannot be used to define static members. You must specify member type explicitly. That is, if I make this variable as var, it will show an error message. You should specify explicitly which data type it is. Static classes are sealed classes, so you cannot be inherited. Static class remains in memory for the lifetime of the application domain in which your program resides. That is, only one copy of the static member variable is created for the entire class. It's shared by all the instance of the class, but non-static members will initiated each time whenever object of the class created. Let's see an example. Here created a non-static class. Inside that create a non-static member variable and constructor. So whenever object created to this class, the constructor will call and the number of instance will increase. Inside the main function, created object for the class 4 times and accessing the number of instance variable. Let's check by running. So here the non-static members, that is number of instance will initiated each time whenever the object created for the class. Now let's make this variable as static. You cannot access static variables directly. You have to use the class name. So here, whenever the object created is constructor call, let's run. Now the value of number of instance is 4 because one copy of the static member variable is created for entire class shared by all the instance of the class. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.